In this assignment, we will review examples of conduct by a coach or team official in the bench and compare good expected actions with irresponsible behavior. In general, keep in mind which example of irresponsible behavior falls under minor disagreement, typically a warning, provocative or inflammatory, typically a caution, or is clearly an item on the list for dismissal or send-off. To be able to mentor referees on this topic when they work games, you must have a firm understanding of public, personal, and provocative behavior by a coach in the bench, as well as understand the list of conduct in IFAB's Law 12 specific to coaches or team officials. Remember, to address irresponsible behavior, the referee team must first see or hear it, interpret the actions, and decide to sanction or not based on the conduct. This is another example of the see, interpret, decide decision-making process by referees during the game. In the case of behavior in the benches, how public the conduct is will be an important factor that affects the decision-making of the referee team. Be mindful if the behavior by a coach occurred while you, as a referee mentor, were sitting between the benches and the referee and AR1 were near the penalty area or goal area, respectively, then it is more likely they did not ignore it, but rather the conduct was not detected by them when it occurred. Most grassroots games take place without a fourth official, who may have seen or heard the behavior for the decision-making to start. So, when only a single member of the referee team, typically the assistant referee on the bench side, witnesses an incident, teamwork becomes important to arrive at the correct decision when a sanction is required. In some instances, you may encounter a public action from a coach in the bench that everyone in the referee team should be able to hear, even if the ball was in play during the game. If the referee and assistant referee do not conference regarding the coach's behavior at the next stoppage point, then you know addressing behavior in the benches will be an item for discussion at halftime or the end of the game. Remember to follow Safe Sport training guidelines when interacting with referees who are minors and when witnessing reportable conduct by coaches and/or fans against these young referees. You may face other incidents not covered in this training for which we recommend that you check in with or seek advice from fellow licensed referee mentors or coaches in your area, your state referee committee, and/or resources in the IFAB's or US Soccer's websites as needed.